Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create and use software presets. A software preset is a collection of different groups of plugins and themes. When using our shared hosting service, software presets can be used during the domain setup process to install plugins and themes to your website automatically. So, let's see how it's done. Log into our panel, and on the side menu, click on the Domains menu item. Navigate into your domain group and click on the Software Presets tab to open the Software Presets page. Click on the Add Software Preset button, and in the dialog box, enter a name, for example, Super PBN. Next, select the software. For our example, it will be WordPress. Click on the Create button, and you have successfully created your first software preset. Now let's create our first preset group. Click on the plus sign on the left and click on the Add Group button. A software preset group contains items like plugins and themes that will be installed to your WordPress website. A pop-up will open, and let's set some values for your group. Enter the name for your group. For example, optimization. And under type, select whether you want to add plugins or themes. Let's select plugins as we wish to create a plugin group right now. Under action, let's choose which action an installer will take when a software preset is being used. Install random means that a random item from the group will be installed. Install all means that all plugins will be installed. Let's select the Install Random option. Click on the Create button. Your plugin group has been created, and now it's time to add some plugins. Let's say we want to add some caching plugins. Click the Add Plugins button. In the search bar, type cache and click Search. You will see the list of all available caching plugins from the WordPress repository. If you click on Images in the Screenshots column, you will see additional plugin descriptions and other information. Select one or multiple plugins and click on the Add button. Perfect! You've just created a group of plugins relevant to website optimization. Now, you can add another group, and let's call it SEO. Into this group, we will be adding SEO plugins. Select the same values in the pop-up modal as you did for the optimization group. The type will be plugins and action will be install random. Click on the Create button and let's add some SEO plugins. Click on the Add Plugins button and type SEO in the search bar. Select desired SEO plugins and click on the Add button. Now you have two software groups with website plugins. Let's create a third group for website themes. Click on the Add Group button. Enter the name, Themes, and select the themes type. Under Action, select the Install Random. You cannot select the action Install All, because there can be only one active theme for your website. Click on the Create button to create your group, and then click on the Add Themes button to add themes to your themes group. In the search bar, enter the name of desired theme or a keyword. We are interested in modern themes, so I type in modern, for example. There is a wide selection of modern themes. You can browse them all and click Preview to see how they look like. Select themes that you like and click on the Add button. Now you've successfully created several software preset groups with plugins and themes. Go back to the navigation bar, And let's add a domain and use the newly created software preset. Click on the Add Domains tab. Enter your domain you want to add and click Next. Toggle SSL switch to automatically install SSL and under Software, select WordPress. Under Protocol, select the fourth option, HTTPS with www subdomain. These settings are optional and you can customize them however you like. At the beginning of this process, we created a software preset called SuperPBN, so now under Software Preset, simply select SuperPBN. Click Next, and then click on the Add Domains button. Great work! Your domain has been successfully added to the domain group, and our system will start processing your installation request. Once the preset is selected and the wizard is completed, the system will automatically use your software preset to install the required plugins and the theme after the software installation process. Please remember that software presets are shared across all domain groups and are not exclusive to a specific domain group. Now, let's recap what we learned so far. To create software presets, you must log into your panel, go to Domain Group and click Software Preset tab. A software preset is a collection of different groups of plugins and themes. You can easily create software preset groups. Select name, item type, and action the installer where the software preset is being used. You can add plugins to plugins groups and themes to themes groups. Plus, you can also review the item, check out screenshots and item detail pages on WordPress.org. Process to automatically install plugins and themes to your website when using our shared hosting service. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.